Backhoe is a creature of myth that dates back to the early 14th century. It has been fabled in epic tales and folklore through the ages. Tales of large-toothed beasts attacking villages. Some say they could be tamed and used for the greater good. These beasts had large teeth which, unusual to most creatures, were used for digging rather than eating. To this day, many still revel in its glory of possible existence and search for the remains of the majestic creature. Here is recent footage on a breakthrough in the search for the elusive Backhoe.
Go.
Quite some time, and we found nothing in all these locations. We believe that this may be the ancient burial ground of the elusive Backhoe. I think we have something. Come in close. Come in close. Get this. I believe we found it. Could this be? Yes! The discovery of my life! This will go down in history as we have found the tooth of the elusive Backhoe. We will continue to dig here until we have found more, but here it is.